for an electric SUV that combines cutting-edge technology with everyday practicality? You're in the right place. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews, where today we're breaking down everything you need to know about the 2026 Tesla Model Y. Design. The Model Y continues Tesla's minimalist design philosophy with clean lines and a sleek silhouette. The refined exterior reduces drag for maximum efficiency, while the spacious cabin offers seating for up to 7. The panoramic glass roof creates an open, airy atmosphere that makes every drive feel special. Build quality shows noticeable improvements over previous years, addressing earlier concerns. Performance. Tesla's electric powertrain delivers instant torque that never gets old. Acceleration is swift and silent, making merging and passing effortless. The low center of gravity keeps handling sharp and planted, while the available all-wheel drive provides confident traction in various conditions. Range estimates remain competitive in the segment, making range anxiety less of an issue. Features and technology. The centerpiece is that massive touchscreen controlling virtually everything. Autopilot continues to evolve, offering advanced driver assistance that genuinely reduces fatigue on long trips. Over-the-air updates mean your vehicle keeps improving over time. The 2026 Model Y proves electric SUVs can be practical, exciting, and tech-forward. What do you think about Tesla's latest updates? Share your opinions in the comments. Hit that like button if you found this helpful, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more automotive reviews. Thanks for watching.